morning everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. It is a nice bright sunny day here. It is Labor Day 2022 and I've got a unboxing here from Parrish PenWorks. Thought this was going to be my Van Ness Pens box, but it's not. This is Parrish. Hold on just a second. Excuse me about that. Get my iced coffee out of the way to get the day started. Needed to go and get my inks. Got a new dip pen here from Parrish, so let me just open this up. We figure out where the seal is on the side of this box, because it's not obvious. I hate when it's not obvious. Okay, let's just go like this. All right. I saw this when I was cruising through Etsy, and I'm always in the mood for a good dip pen. I love this sticker. Oh, can I get it off? Oh, I can. Oh, nice sticker, and it's gonna go on the box. I like that. Look at that, looks great. Okay, over here on this side, nicely wrapped packaging. I'm going to just open it up and pull through here. Oops, get my invoice out the way. Just want to get the name of this correct. Okay, so this is a handmade calligraphy drawing / dip pen made with aluminum, luminite and olive wood. Oh, I like the sticker too. Kind of extra one of these, so I got quite a few of these stickers that I can use, which is awesome. And I love the navy blue paper. That is, I've never seen anybody do that with navy blue paper, so I'm happy about that. And opening it up. Look at that. I just thought that that was so different. So Parrish PenWorks, let me spit it out, is on Etsy. You can find them there. And here is a nice calligraphy nib. And that goes right in here. And I don't know if it's going to be as good as the other one that I have from Kyoto. Let's see here. This nib, Kakamori, I think is this one. It's this one, but we're gonna give it a try. And I know that this will hold up a lot better than the other inexpensive one that I got from Jenny Bick that I displayed on my channel earlier. So with that being said, I'm gonna reach into my new pen storage box for inks and other ephemera kind of stuff that was just laying loose on my desk. I really needed something to like just kind of store all these little inks that I have a little bit. Okay, so I've got Jacques Herbin is the first ink that I reached for. That'll work. It's Blue Ocean. Let's see how this bad boy does. All right. And over here, I've got to the side my remnant slips from Cosmo Otonote, a little sample book of Tomoe River paper that I bought from Jenny Bick last year, and my swatching book. Let's see here. I have a newer ink actually that I might want to swatch because it's not in my other swatch book, and that is and I did this one before, but I did not put it in. I'm going to bring this in. I did not put it in my swatch book that I normally keep, and that is Dominant Industry Forest number 105. So let's do that one. I've already done that one in the Cosmo Air Note, but let me just get the swatch in with this new dip pen on this one. I'm going to lift this up just a little bit so I don't bump it too much. And I hope everybody's having a good weekend. The weather and the dog days of summer are almost over. And I will say, for my first try of this dip pen, we've got a little bit of, it just barely goes into the jar from Yoseka, so I've got to be mindful of that. I've got some ink puddling up on the top of here that I'm just wiping off to the side here so it doesn't get all over my hands, hopefully. And with that, this is a true kind of dip pen experience. Let me zoom in here so you can get this in. This is a little tricky with using it on in this one, so I'm gonna kind of swoop it in the other way. But man, does it feel good for a handcrafted dip pen. Just having a hard time gathering enough ink into the dip pen itself, so just trying to get enough in there. There we go. Yeah, this dip pen is going to be a little tricky in smaller ink vials, because I'm getting it in places that I don't want to get it. But I do like this Dominant Industry. I need to grab a little magnet so it can actually grab the ink better. Yeah. Yeah, that's going to be a hot mess right there. Forest number 105. Okay, that's a little bit of a hot mess, actually. But I do like the dip pen, how it feels in hand. I think the container in which I chose, oops, does not help that out at all. And with as a true calligraphy nib, even though I've already done this, I'm going to do it again because I just want to see how it writes on this paper. And yeah, I'm going to switch over to a Goulet style sample just because I think I might have a better luck with the dip pen. So let me just rinse this one off to the side here. I still think my Kakamori nib is probably the best nib, but it's September, which means next month is October, which means it's Inktober. Let me just find, using Blue Ocean, why not? Yeah, this goes in a lot easier. I'm sorry, I'm doing that off camera. This goes in a lot easier with the one from Goulet, so let's see what we get. What I do have a problem with is the inks puddling up around this part of the pen, so I've got to constantly do that, but let's just do this is much better. I'm getting feedback from the nib, but this is a much better experience going out of the tube, sample tube of Goulet than it was going through Yoseka's. It was just a little bit too tight with Yoseka to get in there and get the ink, but it's not having a problem with this one. put this over here, the X, see how that is, and we'll just do this like this. Let's get this little sample in here. Yeah, I'm really liking Cosmo Airlight. I think that's gonna be, for 2023, my ink of choice. I mean my pad of choice, because I just like it so much. It's, I would say, better for me than even the Leuchtturm paper, which I do like Leuchtturm, but because Leuchtturm can take a lot of beating, but so can this, and it's just so nice. So that's all I really have today. I hope that you liked it. I just wanted to show you the new addition to my dip pen ventures as it is, and finding the right one that really makes me happy. Right now I think the best one out of the two is this one with this nib. But I mean, it's this nib for sure. I love this nib, but I love this holder. So I'll be experimenting to see if I can get this wonderful Kakamori nib into this pen. Will be my next go round after off camera, because I'm going to have to de-ink it and clean it up and see how it works. Alright guys, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It's just a quick hit. I will talk to you guys later, and until the next time, stay safe. Bye.